Hey everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today on Craving Crochet. Today's video is a little bit different from what I've normally been doing. Today's video is a video of a tutorial that I followed, and I wanted to share it with you all. Now, it's not a crochet video, but it is a craft video. I'm pretty exclusive to crochet, but since back in, I think it was near the end of the year, I got some products that were sent to me. I'm going to leave the name of the company in the description box because it's not coming to mind right now. But one of the things that I got from them was a loom kit, which I requested from them because I thought I would love to try looming because I've never tried it. So I actually have, I think there's another 2 of these that came with the kit, 4 in total. Yes, there's 4 in total. So I made a project using this. This is the smallest one in the kit. It's a 24 peg. And then I made something else as well. And this is the next size up, which is 31. And then I have another 2 sizes, which I don't remember how many pegs there are. There's a green one that's bigger than this. I don't have them all with me. And then there's a yellow one, which is the largest. So anyways, let me show you what I made. This is so cute. And I just love it. Look at this little guy. Isn't it adorable, this little doll? It's like a mini baby. It fits in the palm of my hand. Look how cute. Look how cute. And so I had to make it. I saw the tutorial and I thought, when I get a chance, I've got to make this for my grandbaby. So here it is. There's the back. There's the front. And then I made this little hat. And that is it. Isn't it adorable? I just love it. And the name of the YouTube channel is called loomahat.com. That's the name of the channel. I will leave the link below. So I made this beautiful. I'll leave the link for the channel and for this gorgeous tutorial. This little baby, mini baby. It's so cute. I love it. It was pretty easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time, so I just did a little bit every night, sitting on the couch, relaxing. And I love the hat. And then I made, where is it? I got it right here. I made the matching hat for the baby. It's not exactly, it is the same stitch. It's just that I had to double the yarn in order to make it so that it's not full of holes. So isn't that so cute? That is so cute. So she also has a tutorial for this, but I didn't really I did refer to her tutorial because she does do it with a brim as well. I'll leave that link below as well. And then she does do sizing and stuff. She's got sizing just so you get an idea of how big to make it for the age of a child or an adult, whatever, right? Just it kind of gives you a little guide. So there's the little baby and there's a little matching hat for the real baby. This is going to be the baby's toy. This is going to be the real baby's hat. I thought it was so cute. I had to share it with you all. And so I'll leave the links below for her hat. She does it with a brim. You don't have to do the brim. I followed it to one point where casting it off. I used her method of casting off, and I checked out her website to give me an idea of the size. So I will leave both links below. Isn't it so cute? I just love it. And I'll just tell you about the yarn that I used to make this project. I used the Craft Smart because I have tons of yarn that I've been buying and hoarding. And it's a medium 4 weight yarn, 100% acrylic, and it's called Bo Peep. I used this yarn to make the Juliet dress back in, I think it was January. I don't remember when I started it. Yeah, I think it was the beginning of the year. So anyways, I just had to share that with you all. I just thought it was gorgeous and adorable. This would make a beautiful gift for anyone that just had a baby. and it's pretty fast. The hat was really fast. I did it all last night. This one I took my time doing little by little every night, like I said. The channel again is lumahat.com. I'll leave the link below. I'll leave the link for this, and I'll leave the link for this. And I hope you try it out. And thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll be back again soon, Lord willing. Love you all. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Again, I am having a giveaway, so I'll leave the link for that also in the description. And today is August 31st, so it's the last day to enter Darla and I's top. So hopefully we'll see some beautiful tops. The summer top that we did collaborated together. I'll leave the link for both hers and mine if you want to follow the tutorial and send us a picture. I appreciate you all. Have a good day. We'll talk soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.